Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're interested in how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. The company I will be working with today is Atozwig, and it is 10 inches, it is Brazilian Remy hair, and it is a pre-plucked 4x4 lace front. The wig does come with adjustable straps, a comb on the side, the front, and the back. Right here, I'm just showing you guys the hairline. It is pre-plucked, and I did bleach the knots, and I applied foundation to my lace front off camera. This is a 4x4 unit, and I will be wearing my hair in the middle part, but I'm sure that you could adjust the wig to make it a side part as well. You do want to be sure you lay your edges when wearing this wig, just in case your hair blows in the wind. Here I'm just plucking my lace closure some more to blend in more with my hairline. I will continue by laying my baby hairs with Got To Be Free spray. To finish off the look, I will be using my straightener to press out my hair. So right here I'm just taking my angled Morphe brush and my foundation, and I'm putting it onto the lace so it looks more like it's coming out of my scalp. The packaging looks like this. The wig comes in this bag with the net around it. It comes with a black wig cap and a pamphlet about the types of wigs they have. This unit is a 10-inch with 4x4 parting, and it is 150% density. This wig can be found on Amazon for $45.99. The shipping was fast, and it takes about 2 to 4 days to receive the hair. There was no shedding while styling this unit, so this wig is worth your money. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace!